already there. Anyway, let's welcome the lead bearer, Jerry, Royce Pasqua, Carranza, Kyle Caragan, and Abigail Jane Pasqua. How about a big round of applause? October 2004. Through Lola Yamila La Puebla and Lola Cornelia de Guzman, which of course in return they texted each other and decided to make their dreams turn into reality. One special day, 15th day of April 2005, two special people and a dream to share along life's way. Two hearts as one heart from two. Truly fantasies to come true. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise and welcome the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Jerry and Christina May Soria. How about a big round of applause, people? Thank you so much.
Maraming Diyos. Salamat po ng marami sa iyo. Narito po ang iyong mga hinira. Kasama po ang mga panauhin. Salamat ng marami sa iyo. Pinipon mo kami sa tapon ito upang makipagdiwang kami. Narito po ang inihanda nila ang mga pagkain. Bago namin ito tanggapin naman, pakibasbasan mo po, lalong-lalo na po ang galaw mong hinira, na sila po ay tumanggap ng iyong banal na kalooban. Umangasa kami, Ama, bigyan mo kami ng kapayapaan. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, siya naming dakilang tagapagligtas. Amen.
Thank you very much. You may now be seated, ladies and gentlemen, and of course let us request our newlyweds, Jerry and Christina May, to do our...
Smiled, and that's how it all started. And you came right in time when I needed someone, and we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along?
Okay, and now let's witness Jerry as he takes off the backer for Christina's leg. Okay, pakiganon, Jer. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Alright, we are now going to call on the signal, guys. 1, 2, 3. Rodel, isa na sasabihin natin, higher. Higher, okay? Practice, 1, 2, 3. Yun, mga ganon. Rodel, ready ka na? Hindi ka muna kakayo. Ano daw? Higher daw, anak. Higher. Ano daw, mami? Higher daw yun. Conservative na si Rodel. Palapakan naman natin sila. Our groom will be kissing our lovely bride. And Rodel, you will be kissing your soon-to-be bride. Okay? Ngayon, depende na lang, anak. Bakit pinagpapawisan ka? Ay, hindi. Talaga? Ngayon, depende na lang kasama sa kamalikan. Okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Rodel, hindi yung diksyon ang kakalikan mo. Okay, take 2. One direct, ha? Spark lang yan. 1, 2, 3. Ilan taon ka? 27. 27 ka, hindi ko pa marunong umaling. Okay. On the count of 3, last time sa nila, huwag matigas ang ulo. Maghihintay si Lani. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being such a good sport. Again, I want a big round of applause to Mr. Andy Cicillian.
So well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was some empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. And guess what I'm really trying to say? It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Lying here with you, listening to the rain, smiling just to see the smile upon your face. And these are the moments I thank God that I'm alive. And these are the moments I'll remember all my life. I found all I've waited for, and I could not ask for more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are are now going to hear a very special message coming from two very special persons to the heart of Christina and Jerry. Starting off, to welcome the groom to the bride's family, let's welcome the brother of our lovely bride. How about a big round of applause to Mr. Ronald Castro.
Jerry Soriano, to our family. Let's give them a toast. Cheers.
Thank you very much. I want a big round of applause for Ronald. Ayan, siguro our next groom to be. Well, anyway, let's welcome, of course, the sister of our debonair groom. Let's welcome Miss Maribel Soriano. How about a big round of applause?
I already know that I'm gonna speak in front of a lot of people. I should have prepared a long speech. Anyways, I'm so happy that I was able to go home to attend my brother's wedding. So, in behalf of the Soriano family, Christine, welcome to our family. Yeah. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you very much. I want a big round of applause for Maribel. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Ayan, who came all the way from Canada. Is that right? I say, from Canada. Ayan. Well, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, for Jerry and Chris to have a stronger relationship, you have to have this message of thoughts or wisdom coming from the ninongs and of course from the ninangs. Well, to give out a very special message of advice, let's welcome Brother Rogelio Tuazo.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Binabati ko po ang dalawang pinagbuklod sa abong po nito, si kapatid na Jerry at kapatid na Christina. Sana po palain kayo ng umay kapal. Sana po magkaroon kayo ng maraming at nago kayo sanang video na maraming buhay, lusot na kanyang nakawan na makilapasan ng pagsasama bilang tunay ng asawa. Patunayan natin at ang tunay ng mga Islam. Kaya lamang po ang mga magulang at mga kapatid. Salamat po.
How about a big round of applause to Brother Rogelio Tuazo? Thank you so much. And of course, siya yung representative ng ninong natin. How about a representative coming from our ninangs? One lovely ninang is Mrs. Gina Soriano. How about a round of applause?
Dahil nasabi na rin ni Maribel na welcome na si Tintin sa family namin, sasabihin ko na rin siguro ang reason. Dahil according to Ate Sunay, hindi raw pwede siya magkaroon ng manuhan na pangit. Kaya welcome to welcome ang mga magaganda, marunong kumanta, maingin at mabait. As to your married life, I hope that you stick to your marriage vows and speak to one another completely.
This night would not be complete without a message coming from a loving mother. Of course, Christina here will be soon to be mom in the near future. And of course, for her to take care of her kids and Jerry as well. Meron mga message syempre ang mga mommies natin para sa ating mga bagong kasal. Starting off with Mommy Minda Castro. Palakpakan naman natin si Mommy Minda, the very beautiful mom of our lovely bride.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, wala na akong masabi dahil nasabi na nilang lahat. At sa kasal kanina, napagbili na rin sila, no? Kaya gusto kong makuha ang opportunity na ito para pasalamatan ng lahat ng aming mga kamag-anak na aming bahay sa malalayo. Gusto kong pasalamatan si Obet, came all the way from New York just to attend Tintin's wedding. Sa mga taga-Gumi, hindi ako marunong magkapampangan, pero nakakasalamat sa inyong lahat. Sa mga taga-Baguio, Sinabimet, mga kapatid namin sila na tuwing okasyon, pagkain daughter's wedding. Kay Nani, Lan, thank you. From Jeddah. Sunny Boy, of course. Dapat September uwi, pero ginawa niyang April. Kaya hindi agad nakabuo. Sino ba ba? Manang Minda. Mga suki namin sa bigas. Nauutangan pa. Sino ba ba? Sina Marlan, sina Paring Beng, yung mga nagsipagluto sa bahay namin. At of course, sa Soriano family na naging masaya ang pagtatag nila sa aming anak. Kagabi, nagtantahan kami at alam ko na magiging masaya ang anak ko kahit iiwanan namin sila dahil masaya silang pamilya. Mga aunties at niya dahil sumusuporta, laging nandyan. Kaya parang hindi na rin kami mawawala dahil may mga magulang siya, mas marami pa. Maribel, thank you. All the way from Canada, nandito ka para umaten. And of course, to Jerry, panganay mo na siya ngayon. Huwag kang mag-celebrate, Ronald. Jerry, alam ko, mahalagaan mo si Tintin. Alam mo naman, only girl yan. Mahal na mahal namin. Alam ko naman, mahal na mahal mo siya, of course. Gandang mandun. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman niya eh. Di ba, Jerry? Pero gwapo-gwapo naman eh. Hindi naman kami lugi eh. Para sa tatay. Katwasan, thank you very much. Sa lahat po ng mga ninong-ninang na although hindi tayo gano'ng magkakalapit. Pasensya na lang po sa lahat kung may mga konting pagkakulang kami. At syempre sa magandang reception na ibinigay niyo sa kasal ni Tintin, hindi ko inakala na ganito kaganda ang inihanda ninyo para sa anak ko. Magiging masaya ang wedding ng anak ko at I know she will cherish it. Sa lahat ng guests, thank you very much. Kung hindi ako nabanggit, matagal na, kain na kayo. Thank you very much ulit.
Thank you so much, Mami Minda. And now let's hear it from another loving mother. Let's call it Mami Susana Soriano. How about a big round of applause?
Unang-una sa lahat, ako ay magandang gabi muna sa inyong lahat na nandito. Ako'y labis na nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga tumulong at mga kaibigan na pumunta rito. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, at lahat-lahat. Lalo na yung mga kamimbruhan ko sa Paluagan. Andyan sila lahat. Laging nagkantabay. Tuwing may party, andyan sila lahat. Ako'y labis na nagpapasalamat sa kanila. At saka kay Tintin, labis akong nasisiyahan dahil sa kabila ng kahit na ganito na lang tayo, welcome to the family. Sana magmahalan kayong dalawa hanggang sa tuling araw ng buhay natin. Pasensya na kayo walang practice. Kung sana prepare. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare kaya dadaanin na lang natin sa kantahan. Salamat sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, sabi nila, hindi daw prepared. Hindi pa sila prepared nun, Okay. Pero of course, hindi pa masyado, no? Oo. Nagbigay na ng message ang Ninong and Ninang. Nag-welcome na ang sister and brother ng both groom and bride natin. Ano na lang po ang natitira? Siyempre, ang message coming from our newlyweds ay idadaan nila of course sa kanta. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause to Mrs. Cristina May Soriano. Ladies and gentlemen, may we request the Ninongs and the Ninas to please share your blessings also to our newlyweds. This is what we call the traditional honey dance or the first dance as husband and wife. And another song coming from is Shirley.
Ups and downs.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I'll be here. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. And I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells.
Thank you.
is where I belong. From this moment, I have been raised. I will love you. For your happiness and from this moment, as long as I breathe, I will love you. And you're the answer to my prayers, all is yours to as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. This moment I will as long as I live, this moment to
Winter snow is falling down, children laughing all around. Lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you. And all I want is to hold you forever, and all I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Watching as you softly sleep, what I'd give if I could keep just this moment. If only time stood still, but the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. And all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away,
to sing. I may have run out of words to say. All that I want you to know is what I feel for you. I love you as endless as forever. Our love will stay together. You're all that I need to be with forevermore. There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night.